Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Liliana, this is Vanillandcanela and I've got some hauls for you today. I went to Matalan, TKMaxx, River Island and Poundland. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. So this is what I got from Matalan. I got some pyjamas and these are actually a present for one of Alex's little friends for his birthday. I also saw this drawstring bag and I thought it was really cute. I have no idea what Alex could use this for, but it was reduced to $1.50 and I thought I'm sure he can make use of this little bag. It's super cute. I also got this little makeup bag. It's got my initial on it, as you guys can see. I think these were £4. Let me see. £6 actually. I just thought it was really gorgeous. I don't know if I'll use it for makeup or if I will find another use for it, but anyway. I also got these little snack boxes for £2, as you can see. And these are quite good for crisps for Alex for his lunch. Then I got some hangers for Alex and some more hangers for us. These are the velvety ones. I was trying to find some velvety ones for Alex, which is what he has got at the moment, but I couldn't find it, and these were £2. And then lastly from Matalan, I picked up this cloche candle in a cloche kind of thing. Now I don't even know what this smells like. Black lily. But I've wanted one of these for ages, so I thought if I was to buy this on its own it would probably cost me around £10. So the candle is quite nice and the candle will go really well in our new bedroom decor once we move. So from TKMaxx I picked up this little elephant planter. I thought this was adorable and it was £3.99. How cute is that? I also got, I've never seen this before, whipped foam topping, and it's a French vanilla. So I cannot wait to try that. I'll let you guys know if that's any good. And that was £4.99. And finally, I have been looking for one of these for ages. It's a litre bottle with pump, and this is for the soap, like washing up liquid. So verbena sage. I can't wait to try that, and that was £5.99. I've been looking at buying just the bottles like this online and they cost way more than that empty, so I was really pleased to finally find one of those. And then lastly I popped into River Island. I've been wanting to get one of these purses for ages, and this is what they look like inside. So you have space for cards and things like that, and then money, like coins bit here. So in Poundland I picked up one of these phone charger USB. This is for my iPhone. I picked up one of those before and this one actually works really well. Sorry, it's not focusing. There you go. Lightning 1 meter cable. I also got some of these batteries. Then I picked up one of these balm tissues, and then two freezer bag, a small one and a bigger one, and another one of these lighters. I have one already and it works really well, so I want this one for upstairs for candles. Alex got some slime. You're getting a tray for it. What else? I also saw this and I thought it was really cute. I have no idea if it's any good, but it's a pen, an Avengers pen, but it's also a flashlight, which I thought was really good. 2 packs of antihistamine pills for the hay fever stuff. So I picked up 2 different ones to give them a try. 2 washcloths hold on, I'll open it. Bring it here. Sorry about that. 2 wash flannels. These were 2 for £1. Picked up some Milky Ways for Alex. Obviously, he's not going to have them all at once. I got a Batman washcloth. He saw that and he wanted it. Some nail buffers because my nails are looking pretty bad. And I saw this, I thought it was really cute. Unicorn Magic shower. Right. You want me to open it? So, where was I? I think I was showing you this. It's Unicorn Magic, you know, shower gel, and I'll also use it as hand soap. I've got some Nivea Colour and Protect shampoo, and then I've got some Serious Snacks, Paul's favourite, some biscuits, like I showed you. This is for Alex. This is all for Alex. I saw another YouTuber showing these, and they're like the little ice pops, but they're sugar-free, natural colours, natural flavours. So I thought I'd give those a try. Some brioche, not brioche, pain au chocolat actually. Some chewing gum. I saw these drinks and they were 3 for £1. This one is orange and mango, cranberry and raspberry, peach and grapefruit. Some crisps for me, and these are for me, fruity tubes. I love these. And that's it. Oh my word, that vanilla topping for coffee is delicious. If you guys find it anywhere, get it. It's so, so nice. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you have, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, you know.